Hello, Garemore again. Today I have figured out how to remove the noise from this noise monster of a Bluetooth module. I have put in a B0505S1W. Here's what it looks like. And have added some capacitors. And here I have my PAM8406 amplifier connected to two old speakers. And we got all the features hooked up. The activity light, the microphone, and full function controls. This is the play pause button. There it goes. The distortion is the speakers, it's not the noise from the Bluetooth module. Yeah, this Bluetooth module doesn't have any kind of buffer, so it goes away immediately. Double click is redialing. I'll go ahead and call myself from my iPod so I can see what the sound is like when a phone call is happening.
727 89971.
Hello. This is the test. I didn't get a notification, but I'll try the notifications next. Hear the sound of notifications. Noise free the whole way. Hey Siri. Hello Siri.
I'm here.
Yeah, this Bluetooth module is outdated. I'm probably not going to be using this one much. Especially since I have a newer Bluetooth module that's better. This is Bluetooth 4.2. The new one's Bluetooth 5.0. Just checking the temperature of the amp. Make sure it's not going to be hot. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.